All right, we're doing the uncut weekly outlook. So I'm not even going to edit it. I'm literally just going to upload the raw file. I don't even care. We'll get there when we get there. This way, I'm just putting it out for my video journal and vlog so I can kind of track what I'm seeing and how I'm seeing it. So, first to start with the weekly time frame. We can see here prices hella bullish on NQ and on ES micro. Where it came down to this weekly fair value gap. We did close beneath the fair value gap on ES, but we did not on NQ. So now where does price want to go? We're in between, right? Uh, this is a kind of a sit and wait to see till we drop down. Maybe the lower time frame gives us a little bit more clarity. So we saw what we had on the weekly. So we know our weekly range from previous week. So what I'm going to do, turn that on, right? I want to know when we tag these key levels. And I might target these key levels, but I don't know what the market's going to do this week. So I don't try to guess what the market's going to do. I step up to the chart when it's time to trade and trade what the chart gives me. All right, so we have that marked up. So you see here, we came up, created this bearish fair value gap on the daily. Right now, we are still within it. We have this supply up here. Price could want to come back up to. Right now, I see a wickless daily candle on. Is this wickless? Open and low. Yep, the same. All right, yep. So price actually absolutely loves to come back and get. I'm actually recording this before the market is closed, so we will have to come back and reestablish the previous day. This was a bank holiday today, so we knew it was going to be a range day inside of Friday's craziness, where the market decided to dump, I think, was it 700 points? So Friday we had a 1,230 point drop, which is wild. Trump decided to make a tweet that sent the market on a free fall, but it's 267 points on ES. So good luck to all those that were in there, but we're just gonna keep marking this up here. So like here, I like what we got here. We got the bearish breaker. If price wants to continue to move down here, we'll mark this up daily. Yes, you got shorts. Good daily. I'm not against some shorts here, but the market is hella bullish. So coming out of this daily fair value gap. No, weekly fair value gap. Oops. All right. So you got an inversion here, and then we closed above it. So this inversion got invalidated. So we're good. In fact, continue higher there. So we have that. Yeah, so let's see how we react here on the OB. Here, if we get back that far up, if we're gonna get that far up, that's a lot to ask. 40 points, 300 points up. I don't know. We'll see what we get. Just got everything marked here. So we are daily, OB, daily, OB, daily. All right. Daily OB's low. So, and then technically, this entire three candles down will be your breaker block. So high, low, came through, broke structure. So this is what we call it. Change state of delivery. Same thing here. Change state of delivery on the daily. So we just need all this to line up on the lower time frame there. You get tired of yep. Got the 4-hour large volume candle here. Price could react. Yep, right. In line with this daily order block. Yeah, we'll take it. Mark it up. All right, so we got bias. We got some bias. And that would be 50% of the weekly range. Yeah, we needed to come back up anyway. Clear out some of that. All right. Yep. 4 hours bearish. Daily just flipped bearish with that break and close. The weekly is still bullish. Wait a minute. Did we get an inversion? we got a close. We disrespected this one. So we're going to call that a weekly. I like that. That gives me a little bit of confluence there. Weekly inversion. And another weekly inversion. Okay, so that gives me some bearish. Oh, and the weekly is, well, no, it's not a swing low. So we did clear. We did sweep buy side. So that's that. All right, now let's move on to gold. Goldilocks. Gold on the weekly. Turn off all indicators. Restart, reset. Oh my God! Look, gold is just on it there. The volume is tapering, but man, what a tear gold is on. Where can gold stop? How do you even trade all-time highs? This thing is ripping. Let me just get. Let's get a gauge here. Where could our turnaround point be? I really shouldn't be trying to take. So we got a couple targets here that I like. If I'm gonna get long with gold, target one, target two. We got some targets. Came down there. So gold is just bullish as hell on the weekly. Got the weekly opening gap on the daily. Bullish as well. Actually, I'm sorry, no, we did weekly here. Previous week. And previous week's low. Swing low here. It's Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Yep. And it looks like it came down into this daily fair value gap here. Expect the hell out of it. And then I guess we'll have to see what we get. Daily's bullish. 4 hour is even more bullish. Wow, gold is all time highs right now. It's crazy. Even with this large volume candle here. All right, so going up and get a pull back down in here before going higher. We'll mark out some areas that I want to see price come down into and respect decent level. You see how this previous week high holds price. We'll see what gold it looks like on London. Maybe we take some, maybe we don't. If I'm not busy. Or Albert makes me want to trade this. That's a yeah, it's on a tear. So yeah, we're bullish on all 3 higher time frames. So it'd be crazy to look for shorts with gold moving like the way it is. So I'll definitely be keeping my eye out for long. So I'll go ahead and add this to the weekly tracker, and we will see what we get. And I'll be back with the trade recaps if we get any good trades this week. As always, patience, discipline, consistency equal profits.